Did you say good morning?
No.
No, you were happy a minute ago.
No.
You're not happy? Do you want to go downstairs? No? Yes? You know you're confusing.
No.
Oh, I love you.
No.
No? Yes, I do.
No.
No camera? Do you want the camera to be gone? What? You want me to turn it off and carry you downstairs?
I need to make it gun.
What?
I make it gun.
I don't know what that word means. But I'll take you downstairs. Do you want to go downstairs? I love you. Don't fall off the bed. Oh, did you want this? What?
No pictures.
No pictures? Okay, I'll turn it off.
Where's that fire coming from?
It's like 64 in the house today, which isn't bad, but it's a tiny bit chilly down here because it's raining outside and it's really overcast. And
How did that fire?
so we're trying to get it going. This is
How'd
the first
that
try.
fire go over there? It was over here.
I don't know, I lit a little piece back there. I am not great at starting fires. I'm really just not. Usually takes me a bunch of tries, like 4 or 5. Thank you. And this one, my concern is the paper. You need that maybe in a minute. The paper that I used is not great paper.
Down, down, down.
So we're gonna try to tuck some more paper in there and see if we can get it going. But yesterday I did get it on the first try using this method. I just used different paper. So we'll see. What, bud? That's a good stick. And Thatcher went and brought in a bunch of wood.
Especially when one dropped and Zara got at it.
What?
One piece dropped and Zara got it.
Zara got it?
Yeah, Zara got
It's big.
it. Mommy is shaking. It's out.
Yeah, I know.
Mommy is shaking.
Okay, just a minute. I gotta try to work on something here. Success! Try 2. You got a good fire. I've got to put another log in there because it's eating up the kindling. Paulo and Nara over there playing.
Has it caught that big piece yet?
Yeah, it's working on the big piece.
Yeah, it looks like it's burning. It's turning orange. Oh wait, it just caught. I see the flames coming from the bottom of it.
Is that cool?
Yeah, especially when it's burning. Success.
Okay, you have to go do the dishwasher. And I'm gonna eat breakfast. And you already ate. Did you already eat breakfast? Is Zara outside or did she go upstairs?
Yeah.
Go see if Zara's upstairs
She
chasing
came
the cats.
back down.
Where is she?
I no.
Go find her. I need to get a log in there. ASAP. Okay. I have breakfast. And Paulo has breakfast. This is vegan chocolate cake with organic raspberries on it. My birthday was last week?
Yep.
I think it was last week. Was it last week?
Yep.
No, it was the week before last. It was the week before last. Because today's Monday and it was Friday before last. So we finally got around to making my cake. So we did 2 layers. There's some frosting in the middle and the raspberries are awesome. And then Paula's having some, I don't know what it is, Barbara's morning oat something. Is it good, buddy? Yep. He's really anti-camera today. Anyway, so I'm gonna eat, finish loading the dishwasher. Ruben got it unloaded. Such a grumpy baby. Get the fire going, gotta warm up the house a bit. And I don't know what else we're gonna do. I know I was shipping to get ready. And the kids and I need to do some schoolish stuffage today. And it's Katsu's birthday tomorrow, our foreign exchange student from Japan. And then the next day it is Thatcher's birthday. So we gotta figure out what we're doing tomorrow because I don't know yet. I gotta figure out if we're making a cake. Don't we? You're so cute. You're so cute. Did you know you're cute? With your little trains? Yeah, can I see the monsters on your feet? Can I see them? Can I see the monsters on your feet? Oh, can we see them? Oh, those are so scary. I like your monsters. Do you like your monsters? Yeah. Oh.
Nummy.
Oh, is that Nummy cereal?
Num.
No.
Yep.
I'm glad you're happy.
I just got your blue camera.
We have the blue camera.
Yeah.
Yes, we do. What's this?
I like that.
Which part? Which part?
I like that. I like that.
Oh, that's part of the lens.
I like that.
Nara, what's up with the sunglasses?
I like to wear.
You just like to wear them?
Oh,
What, Betty?
yeah. Grass.
Grass? Oh, glasses. Sunglasses? You and your accessorizing. Nara's gone. There she is. Oh, if she has her glasses on, she's gone?
No.
That's kind of what you just said, though.
No. Do you want glasses? Me too.
Are you gonna wear them? You're gone? There you are.
Oh, now your turn.
It's Nara's turn.
I'm gone.
She's all gone?
Yep. It is.
There she is.
Again.
Where did Paulo go? There he is.
And now your turn. Again.
She's gone. And there she is. Where did Paulo go? There he is. Okay. This could go on forever. So we're going to eat. We're going to eat. Can you eat? Apollo? You want to finish your breakfast? Where did Paulo go? There he is. Where did Paulo go? Paulo. Paulo. There's Apollo. Okay, well, I'm going to eat my breakfast. Are you going to eat your breakfast?
Which is cake is yours.
Yes, I'm having cake because I can do that.
I need cake.
You need some cake too? Okay, just a minute. Okay, the kids and I are up here. We are going to do some history. Thatcher's over
Apollo
there. No, Apollo. Apollo is over there watching Daniel Tiger. And the cats are hanging out. Artemis. Hello, pretty girl. Hello. Little turds, don't jump on me. Okay, go sit down.
Hey, I need that.
Shh. Today we're reading about Babylonians. What do you guys remember about what we've been learning?
That mummies are creepy.
That mummies are creepy.
That mummies are a form of death. What?
They are dead bodies
And
that are preserved.
the paint that they make it out ant what?
Ant eggs. Their eyeliner is made out of ant eggs.
Yes.
Sometimes, yeah.
That there was a boy who ruled when he was 15.
He was a young and famous pharaoh.
Yeah, he's famous here. He's really famous here because he's one of the only death masks and stuff that were untouched. That they put all the clothing and stuff with him, so he has stuff when he goes to the afterlife.
That's right. They buried them with all kinds of stuff, furniture and clothes and money and all kinds of things, so that they would have stuff in the afterlife. It's been very interesting.
Afterlife.
Have you guys liked learning about the Egyptians?
No. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. I would rather learn about things.
Like what?
Animation.
What's gonna happen here, Kat? Oh, you almost got a leg over. Almost got a leg over. Nope, didn't make it. Sorry. Don't try it. That didn't look smart, did it? And you're gonna try it anyway. Just stay there where you're safe. I just don't think it's a good idea. But you want to do it, don't you?
Look! Becoming huge giant planes! Not that big.
What?
Oh, I think well.
Where'd she go?
Hunter?
Yeah, where'd Hunter go?
Here
Oh.
is it.
Hey, you okay? Is that kind of rough? A little bit.
Oh.
Over there hiding.
This is...
She's just sniffing. I don't think she's gonna do it. Hopefully. Who knows? She's kind of adventurous. Crazy. What? Daniel, tiger? Mommy has to sit here so I can read. I'll sit with you after. Oh dear. We're gonna read and then I'll sit with you. I'm sorry you're sad.
They're all going to fly out from each other.
Yep, you got little pieces of stuff everywhere. Okay, we're gonna get to reading so that I can go snuggle with Paulo.
Smarties, Mom. I got Smarties.
I got pixie sticks with an order of something in the mail, and
We got
the kids are
Smarties.
trying them.
We got
They each get a
Smarties.
half.
We get a smart. Mom, I have a Smartie.
Dude, chill. Okay, remember, try not to touch the end with your tongue. You don't want to get it wet or the powder won't come out very well. So for you, I think you've already eaten yours, right? Nara, leave your dress alone. Is it good?
Yeah, it tastes like a Smartie.
You like it, Balo Balo? Is it nummy?
Come up.
Can I help? Okay, tip. Oh, I think you've about eaten all of yours. All done. Can you put this one in the garbage? Was it good?
Oh, that was awesome. Nothing could be that good, Paulo.
That's his new thing. If he's upset at one of us, he kind of runs off. Hey, hey. What? Was it good? That's all. That's all I have. If you want. Brother's gonna share. Can you say thank you?
Thank you. What's this?
That's a purple one.
That is different flavor.
You wanna try it?
It tastes like Smartie. Smartie flavor. Okay, out.
Okay, can I help you? Okay, tip your head back.
In the trash. I'm done. I'm done. Do I put it in the trash?
What? Yes,
Put it
trash.
in the trash.
Is that good? Okay, all gone.
He's going to ask for more. I know it. He's coming back. Mom!
All gone.
Mom!
All gone. That was lots. That was lots.
Mom!
Was it good?
Mom!
I don't have
Can I
more.
have a piece of fruit?
Yes.
Me too. Mom, hi everybody. Can I show you my potato? What I made. That was what we made.
Are you eating your cereal from like 3 hours ago?
Give it back.
Oh, delicious.
I want give it back.
Reuben, you have to ask if it's not yours.
I never got it.
You had a dreidel in yours. Yes, you did.
I didn't give it on mine.
Yes, you did.
Yeah, you. Can I have an apple?
You want an apple? Yes.
You can try my Dreidel. Yeah, but I didn't just try my Dreidel.
You need to open? Oh, this is the bag. Not like what we usually get. Paulo, you're eating cereal.
When are we going to cut this pointy thing up that is even pointy for me?
I don't know.
When are we going to cut this up?
I don't know yet. You want an apple?
Yeah, this dirty.
Okay, I have to wash it for you.
Take it back before Paul wants to.
I have to wash it, okay? You You can have it. Just let me wash it. Oh my. Okay. Paulo, are you gonna play? Alright, we're gonna play Go Fish before bed. We just had dinner and tidied up. What did we have for dinner? Potatoes? What kind of potatoes?
Little potatoes.
Little baby potatoes. What else do we have?
Potatoes.
They're not Easter potatoes. What else do we have? Green beans and...
Biscuits.
Did we have biscuits too? Can we see where your teeth came out? She's lost 2 teeth. One this week, one last week, her first 2. Alright, so we're going to play Go Fish. Are these Nara's?
Team are you
Yes.
on? Oh, dog.
Okay, shh. And we have these pretty new Go Fish cards.
Matches do you have to have?
But we're gonna play and then we're gonna go to sleep.
Look.
Are you excited about this?
Ruben, go up there and grab the 2 cards.
Mommy.
Okay, do you guys want to say goodnight real quick?
Good night.